گرفتن اینچنتمنت ها نیاز به XP داره و به دست آوردن XP نیاز به XP فارم داره. تو این ویدیو میخوام 3 تا از خفن ترین XP فارم هایی که خودم خیلی ازشون استفاده میکنم و با هم بسازیم. قبل از اینکه بریم سراغ ویدیو، دکمه لایک و سابسکرایب بزنید و یه کامنت انگلیسی هم زیر این ویدیو بذارید که حساباتون نریزه. آدرس کانال تلگرام و پیج اینستاگرام هم روی صفحه میاد، هر کدوم خواستید میتونید فالو کنید. بزنید بریم سراغ ویدیو. اولین فارمی که قراره بسازیم خیلی راحت ساخته میشه. یه جور XP فارم برای اوایل بازیه، ولی در عین حال فوق‌العاده به افزایش XP کمک میکنه و از همه مهمتر اینه که به عنوان فارم طلا هم استفاده میشه. برای همین این فارمو بیشتر از بقیه فارم‌های این ویدیو دوست دارم. ولی ساخت این فارم یه چالش داره، اونم اینه که حتما باید داخل ندر این فارمو بسازید. علتش رو در ادامه ویدیو میبینید. بزنید بریم این فارمو با هم بسازیم.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Give it what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than want some more job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting with a forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she holding shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make it. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still.
خب روش کار این فارم اینجوریه که باید به یکی از زاگلین های اطرافتون ضربه بزنید و بعد همه زاگلین ها میان که به شما حمله کنن. قبل از اینکه زاگلین ها دهنتون رو سرویس کنن باید اینجایی وایسید که من وایسادم و از دیدن سقوط زاگلین ها لذت ببرید. بعد از اینکه این کارو چند بار تکرار کردید و کلی زاگلین اون پایین جمع شد، میتونید برید و با یه ضربه شمشیر همه زاگلین ها رو بکشید و XP اونها رو بگیرید و همچنین میتونید از گلدینگات هایی که توی اون چست جمع شده استفاده کنید. خب فارم بعدی فارم اندرمن هست. البته بهتره بگم یه مدل فارم اندرمن هست که تقریبا ساده ساخته میشه ولی یه چالش بزرگ داره. برای ساختن این فارم باید به اند برید و دراگون رو بکشید و همونجا داخل اند فارمتون رو بسازید.
Crazy.
Oh no, no. Can't breathe in toxic skies. Pollute me with your lies. Yeah, I thought that I'd die. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind. I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. The date been in my mind for days. Wish I could get away. You know it isn't safe for me to be in this headspace. Drunk and I miss you unless I'm just drunk. Told me to swim, then you watched as I sunk. I can't forgive you, no, I'm not that dumb. Paranoid, I gotta run. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Once upon a time I used to hold you close. Now the only thing I'm holding is a broken soul. Knock me down and I'm still falling like some dominoes. Oh no, I'm trapped, I can't get out, no. Back to the basics, you crazy as hell. And I can't bring myself to say I wish you well. Trying to be tough in a world that's ablaze. You told me that you would stay. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind. Singing why, oh why you lie, you lie. Every time I die a little inside. I'm like bye, baby, baby, bye, bye. Gotta move on with my life, well at least I'm gonna try. Don't you hit me in the night, cause I'm probably home crying. Don't you know that I'm still trapped in my mind. I cannot breathe through toxic skies. You pollute me with your lies. Thought I'd die along with my sense of time, and I'm not alright. Feel trapped in my mind, I can't escape even if I try to. Little too late, too weak and too kind. My heart is on fire and I'm burning alive, so I guess I'm not fine. Still trapped in my mind.
و اما در آخر سومین فارمی که قرار با هم بسازیم فارم اسکلتون هست. این فارم هم مثل فارم‌های قبلی خیلی بهتون ایکس پی میده، ولی این تنها شباهتش به فارم‌های قبلی نیست. این فارم هم مثل فارم‌های قبلی یه چالش داره و اونم اینه که برای ساخت این فارم باید اسپانر اسکلتون پیدا کنید. چند تا سیت که بتونید داخلشون اسپانر پیدا کنید و توی دیسکریپشن براتون نوشتم. اگه حوصله ندارید دنبال اسپانر بگردید، برید و داخل اون سیت ها بازی کنید.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. This journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning never stopping searching, yeah, it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You